future population. Basic principle of sustainable development means responsibility and accountability natin to future populations. What do you call that? By simple comprehension, kahit hindi mo alam. What choice, no, connotes or somehow gives you an impression about future population? It is letter B, intergenerational equity. Intergenerational equity, letter B. 110. Kung ang World Heritage Day is marked each year on April 18, ang World Biodiversity Day is observed on May 22, ang World Ocean Day ay June 8, at ang World Indigenous Peoples Day ay June 9, at ang World Animal Day is on October 4, at ang World Food Day ay October 16. Kada kailan ang World Water Day? Kada kailan ang World Water Day? Nakaraan December 25. Bakit may February 14 kasi po basa? Ano? February 14 kasi basa? Ano yun? World Water Day po. Ano sinasabi nyo? Yung utak ko medyo naglalag na. So, February 14. It is letter B, March 22. Ano San Juan? Bastos naman yun. Hindi, World Water Day. Hindi mo sinabi San Juan. Kayo talaga. Ang birthday po ni Miss Amelita, March 22 po ang World Water Day. Ganyan, matas lang talaga ito. Ganyan sila gumawa ng questions sa actual exam, no? Ang haba, tapos sa dulo, iba pala yung tinatanong, no? So that's why it's important, boy dila. No? Next. Okay. If Earth Hour is observed on the last Saturday of March, kasi alam mo magugustuhan yung mga ganitong tanong. Ang Earth Day USA is celebrated annually on April 22. Ang World Town Planning Day falls on November 8. Ang World Environment Day is marked on the 51st day of the month of what? Ay, tinatanong tayo yan. The correct answer is, no, not 51, 5th day. Sorry, 51 day. Alam mo 5th day yan. Sorry, pagod na. 5th day. No, 5th day of the month of letter B, June. June po yan. 5th day of June. No? O dahil nagustuhan yung mga pecha na yon, our next question is, pabalik na. Ayan, alright, next. Because pre-Spanish Aboriginal communities in the Philippines were relatively small, no, and based on kinship relations, the most common practice of land tenure in pre-colonial society wherein one would merely enjoy the fruits of land was called what? Anong tawag natin doon? Iniba lang ang pagkakagawa ng tanong, pero iisang konsepto ang tinutumbok niya. Ang sabi niya, wherein one would merely enjoy the fruits of the land. No? Richie, mali spelling mo. It is, iniba lang. No? Letter C, usufruct. Usufruct yan. Kayo talaga. Iniba lang ang pagkakatanong na nalito na. May sumagot tendency. Ang Sweden. 114. This 1997 document is the Philippines' official response sa 1992 UNCED Earth Summit and contains a policy framework that defines development. Ito yung question to sa question ito sa professional practice, ganito sila. That defines development as a drawing out of full human potential according to the appropriate productivity of nature rather than optimal or maximum exploitation of natural resources to achieve GDP growth. No? Ayun, may mga sumagot agad, very good naman. No? The correct answer is, may Kyoto Protocol, walang Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto Protocol, guys. Ano Kyoto Protocol? Ang dami niyo pa, It is, itong dokumentong ito ay kailangan nyo na lumapad sa Kyoto. It is letter D, the Philippine Agenda. No, inadapt yan ng ating bansa noong 1997 as the Congress official response sa 1992 UNCED Summit sa Rio de Janeiro. No? It serves as what? As the national blueprint ng ating bansa for sustainable development. Okay? So, Kyoto Protocol ka pa. Number 115. Industrial dispersal began with memorandum circular dated December 16, 1973, no? Which banned establishment of additional medium and heavy industries in the national capital within a 15-kilometer radius from. Saan pinagbabawal ang pagtatayo ng medium and heavy industries, no, sa area na ito? Saan? Ito ay sinimula noong panahon ng Marcos administration, no? It banned yung mga establishment of additional medium and heavy industries within 15-kilometer radius of the letter A, Rizal, Monument, Luneta. Ay pinagbabawal po. Pero may nakatayo ko na hindi na sinunod. Hindi na sinunod, no? Okay? Next. Number 116. Although theoretically flawed, meron tayong tinatawag na super region, panahon ni Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, as conceived by the administration of President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, sought to build upon perceived comparative advantage of a cluster of territories such as agri-processing, tourism, commodity, logistics chain, or cyber services, which super region ought to focus on agri-businesses. Agri-businesses daw. So, isipin mo na lang, i-analyze mo, sa agricultural businesses, saan primarily meron yan? The correct answer is, nasan ba ang rice granary of the Philippines? Anong rice granary of the Philippines? Anong rice granary? Di ba nasa north? Nueva Ecija. So the correct answer is Northern Luzon Quadrangle. Bakit hindi siya Calabarzon? Sa Calabarzon, mas madami diyang mga manufacturing, mga electronics industrial estates sa Calabarzon, no? Mga planta. Sa Metro Luzon Urban Beltway, no? Yan may mga logistics, dahil yung mga pier, mga industrial growth, no? Ayan. Patungkol naman sa Subic Clark Freeport Complex, no? Yan naman yung mga same lang, logistics hub and economic zone. Anong beach? Ba't may beach? Next. According to RA 166, National Cultural Heritage Act of 2009, this refers to historical sites or structures hallowed and revered for their history or association as declared by the National Historical Institute. Hallowed and revered. The correct answer is, may word no? Nandiyan eh. The correct answer is, historic shrine. Letter D, historic shrine. No, next. According to RA 8749, no? Ano yung 8749? Ano yung RA 8749? Housemates. Nasa-search sa Google. Ang tagal Google sa magot. Clean Air Act, no? Ang sabi niya, This is a geographic-based document. Doon pa lang dapat alam nyo na, no? This is a geographic-based document that integrates primary data and information on natural resources and anthropogenic activities on the land. Tinanong ko last year ha, as evaluated using various risk assessment and forecasting methodologies, and evaluates environment quality and carrying capacity of an area in such a way that enables planners and government decision makers to anticipate the type of development control necessary in the planning area, no? Yan yung ano, basically it serves as a diagnostic tool, no? A diagnostic and planning tool, no? Na nagbibigay ng gabay to sustainable land use and development, especially sa mga lugar, no, na at risk of pollution, overexploitation, or ecological imbalance. The correct answer is ECO profile. So geographic-based document, no? Next. This process defines the physical platform of development at the local level and proceeds by systematically evaluating alternative patterns of resource use, choosing that use which meets specified goals, and drawing up appropriate policies and programs directed to the best use of land in view of accepted objectives and of environmental and societal opportunities and constraints. So, context clue na lang yan, makikita nyo agad, no? The correct answer is, very good, land use planning, no? Number 120. Oh, ayan, mix at jumbled. This document consists of specific proposals to guide growth in a locality, including statements about community goals, priorities, strategies, and socially desired mix of resource uses. Document. Tama ba? Hipan natin ha, hihipan ko. Nasaan ba ako dito sa ano? Dito ako. O, hihipan ko ha. Tingnan nyo ha. Okay, so, ayan. Nawala. Hipan ko ulit. Balik na lang dito pa na dapat. Ang galing. Magic. Alright, so it is comprehensive land use plan, no? Comprehended. Hindi pwede sabihin eh. Ay, Aldos. Skill 1 kita dyan. Okay, 121. Halo ulit. This refers to the division of community into districts, no? Or sections according to... Ay, ano ba yan? Napakita tuloy agad. Correct. Division of community, districts, or sections. It is zoning. Nahaminan agad, no? Zoning. Next. Isa pa. It is an integrated development scheme wherein a defined area is comprehensively planned as a unitary entity such that innovations inside design and building design are rewarded by the government with some flexibility in zoning, usually relaxation of standards or their replacement with negotiated agreement between the developer and the LGU. No, ang best example nito ay yung Bonifacio Global City, yung sa BGC. No? The correct answer is reveal. Ching! Planned Unit Development, o PUD. Next. An innovation in land use regulation in which the right to develop property can be separated or severed from ownership of land in a particular zoning district, then sold or passed on to another property owner and exercised in connection with the development of land in some other part of jurisdiction. Ano ito? Ba?